God created us to be social beings. Being able to interact with one another is a gift. So why then is it sometimes so difficult to ask for help? Is it because we learned as we were growing up that asking for help makes us look weak? Or does asking for others' help seem to be a burden to them? I don't know about you, but I was taught to do things on my own. It was to teach me independence. That's a good thing, right? However, we've probably come to realize that it is a very unlikely situation that we could do this thing called life on our own. We can be both independent and dependent. It sounds almost contradictory, yet the reality is that it is not one or the other, but rather both are good and good for us. Let's look at our independence versus our dependence on each other. According to Psychology Today, our need to be alone and to pursue our individual goals must be balanced with our need to be with others, and when necessary, to request help. In other words, we are balanced when we are able to embrace the dependent side of our nature. This requires that we are vulnerable, bold, and comfortable enough within ourselves to recognize when we need help. When we are able to recognize that we need help, we are more apt to openly and genuinely acknowledge our specific needs and limitations. Acknowledging our limitations enables us to take that important step, which is to ask for help. Asking for help is part of what it takes to be emotionally strong. Asking for help also shows that we are resourceful. Believing that we are capable and resourceful means we possess the emotional resources to go after the dreams and goals we have set for ourselves, and that we have the courage to ask for help when needed. Do you see how asking for help does not take away our desire to be independent to reach our dreams and goals? It adds to and makes it even more enjoyable for us to reach those dreams and goals that we've set for ourselves. It also makes doing life together so much more fun and exciting. We weren't meant to do life alone. Remember, we're only human, and that's a wonderful thing.